Hello and welcome. My name is Julian, this is Newbee Garage, and today we are going to be, not working on the 2CV because I've got a little bit on an update. And that involves the 2CV, but also this garage. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so welcome to what's known as the garage, also known as the Newbee Garage, and we've got a little surprise maybe. We're going to a different shop, and that is because the building that I am in is getting fully renovated, and my new shop is actually right over there. And it's going to be about 4 times bigger, and that's going to be really nice. But in the meantime, while everything is being renovated and being built, my car has got to go into storage. So that means that I can probably not work on it, and it's going to take a really long time since the renovation slash building of this building is going to start in around August. So that's going to be after the summer vacation in my country, and yeah, so that's going to be a little bit of a problem. But after that, I am going to get back at you with a lot of really good videos, and not in this mess, as you can probably see. So yeah, I am really stoked for that, and yeah, I'm really happy for it. So I am going to show you the renders of the new garage. Please do note that the sizes of storage compartments are not actually the real sizes. The cars and all, and the walls and everything are good except for the storage, because I didn't know how big they were going to be. But yeah, I am going to show you those right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so these are the photos, and I'm just going to paste them anywhere up here so you can see them also. So as you can see, the first photo, it's basically when you come into the garage, it's from the outside, and we have got a beautiful rolling door. And inside you basically walk in, and you walk into a beautiful car lift, and it's got a nice 2CV on it, of course, with a workbench to the side of it. And yeah, it's just going to be spacious, open, and it's going to be a lot more working space. And on the walls, on the side of the building, you can see the 4 2CVs. Now probably the last 2 2CVs is where some storage is going to go. So those 2CVs are not actually there, of course. I don't have that many 2CVs, but yeah, there's going to be a little bit of storage there, and that's where we are going to put the doors and the hoods and the trunks and the engines and every sort of thing from that. And when you come into the little space that is behind the garage, you've got all those racks. Now those racks are not of size at all. There are about 5 racks in a row right there, and I have actually already put some in the space right there right now. And I've put way more than 5 down there. I've put like 7 in a row instead of 5. So those aren't actually the correct sizes, but you get the idea. Now the wall, that the big opening, that is currently a wall with a tiny door in it. It's like a 1 meter wide door, and not even a pallet can fit through there. So we are going to open up the entire thing and make sure we can just walk in and grab anything we want. So that's going to be really, really nice. And yeah, there's going to be a lot of storage space. And all the workbenches to the side. Now I've got a little bit of workbench where on the opposite side of the two CVs. Now those are going to be a bit different, but that's just a model that I could find online. But yeah, it's going to be something like that, and I probably think that the walls opposite to the two CVs are just going to be full with workbenches, and that we can just fabricate stuff on it. We can put the plasma cutter down there. We can make a plasma cut table. I've currently got that, but it's kind of crappy, so we're going to probably need a better plasma cut table, but that's for later. First we need to make the garage, and that's going to be really, really, really nice. So yeah, without further ado, that's the new garage, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, thank you for watching Newbee Garage. If you want to see more of this, please consider to like and subscribe. That would really, really help me out, especially during this time. And yeah, thank you for watching. This was Newbee Garage, and I'm out.